So here's an example of a LED cable. These cables normally, well, the LEDs are attached one to another with this kind of strings. And these cables came in all kinds of variations. For example, this one have can be pasted to wood or to other materials. Some cables have are already programmed in order to be laid on or laid off, and others need to be programmed. This one is already programmed, so with a remote control, the cable could turn on. Also, these ones need a strong energy connection. Some of them come also with this connection. This one was provided with the connection also.